So here we have some calculations with brackets, and what we need to remember is that we always do what's in the brackets first. So for this first question, we have 2 times 35 in brackets, and we need to add 60 divided by 3 in brackets. Now 2 times 35 is 70, and 60 divided by 3 is 20. That's because 6 divided by 3 is 2, and then if we have one end zero in our dividend, we need one end zero in our quotient. So now that we know that this bracket is 70 and this bracket is 20, we can add them together to get our answer 90. Now we have 70 divided by 14 minus 4, so we need to do what's in the bracket first. 14 minus 4 is 10, so we need to work out 70 divided by 10. That's 7, so that's our answer. And notice we get a different answer if we don't do the bracket first. If we did 70 divided by 14, that would be 5, and then if we subtracted 4, that would be 1. But that would be the wrong answer because we have brackets, so we do what's in brackets first. Now we have 40 plus 40 divided by 5 in brackets. So we do the brackets first. 40 divided by 5 is 8, so we need to work out 40 plus 8, which is 48. Finally, we have 194 plus 6 in brackets, and we need to multiply that by 34 minus 4 in brackets. Now 194 plus 6 is 200, and 34 minus 4 is 30. So now that we've found our brackets, we can work out 200 times 30. That's 6,000, because 2 times 3 is 6, and then if we have 3 end zeros in a multiplication question like we do here, 1, 2, 3, we need 3 end zeros in our answer. So that's 6,000.